Kung gusto mo ng flexible work from home or work from anywhere career, or pagod ka na from juggling responsibilities, freelancing, and family, but you still want to level up, then this live training is built for you. Tinatanong kasi tayo dito ni Faceless Me if meron daw bang SMM class, and we actually have one na originally scheduled for July, but due to bad weather, we had to move it to August 30th for day 1, and then day 2 is on August 31st. The class is from 4 p.m. till 8 p.m. So abot na abot kayo. For day 1, it's theory day. So ang focus niya is concepts and discussion. And then the day 2 is more on the practical day. So hands-on activities, and magkakaroon na rin ng breakout rooms. Sabi nga ni Edina, the pinaka-juicy na mentor natin for this class, unlike other programs that focus solely on the technical aspect of social media marketing, which quite frankly you can easily find online, our training takes a holistic approach. So we believe that to truly excel in this field of social media marketing, you need more than just technical skills. You need the right mindset. You have to have a strong motivation. You have to have a deep understanding of your audience and effective methods to reach them. This and more we will teach you sa live session where you guys will learn and would be able to apply sa 2 weeks natin na output-based internship, how to conduct a brand audit, how to create a buyer persona, how to develop a social media strategy, how to craft a social media content calendar, and how to design and create engaging social media graphics and videos. Everything that I mentioned still includes application book kung saan tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply, mock interview which is your one-on-one with me, and of course, yung guidance ng mga tao na talaga namang ginagawa ito sa mga clients nila every single day, 24/7. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, ito talaga yung ginagawa namin for our clients. So we've mastered it, and we are going to share with you everything that we have learned so that you can avoid every mistake that we made in the process. Now, if you guys want to join, all you have to do is click the link in my bio. It'll then take you to our GigHub. Dito sa GigHub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para matutong mag-work from home. There are free resources down there. I-check nyo na lang yan. But if you want to join the class for August 30th, then under Live Mentorship, makikita nyo dyan for social media management and marketing with internship, $999 lang. Click that and it will open the form for you. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!